In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Terraria on a mobile device. This will work regardless of whether you're on an iOS or Android. So if you're on an Android, you want to go ahead and open up the Google Play Store, which should automatically come installed to your device. And if you're on an iOS, then you need to go ahead and open up the App Store. Then once you're over here, you want to go to the search bar just like so, and then you want to go ahead and look up Terraria. Boom, there you go. Then you want to go ahead and select on Terraria one more time. Now, if you're on an Android and in the United States, Terraria will cost around $5. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and purchase it, or you guys could go ahead and get it with the Play Pass as well. And it is actually free with a Play Pass subscription. So if you do have that, then you should be able to download Terraria right away. But anyways, guys, I'm just going to go ahead and install Terraria really quickly. Alright, once you went ahead and purchased it, then it will now begin to install Terraria. And if you guys are wondering, Terraria takes around 136 megabytes worth of storage. So it really doesn't take up that much storage, so that is honestly a major plus. Alright guys, then you just want to wait for it to install and then go ahead and press on play. From here, you guys can go ahead and have fun playing Terraria on your mobile device. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.